Over 100 guardsmen and women were activated today by Governor Kate Brown to help reach her goal of vaccinating 12,000 Oregonians per day by the end of next week. Fox 12's Drew Marine tells us how the National Guard plans to help make that goal into a reality. Drew?
That's right. Governor Brown says they need to vaccinate more Oregonians as fast as they can, and using the National Guard is an important tool in accomplishing that. Guards will be coming here to Salem Health's clinic at the state fairgrounds on Tuesday to help streamline that process in getting more of those in the 1A group vaccinated. Vaccinating 250 people per hour. That's Governor Kate Brown's target for Oregon, in hopes that she can reach her goal of 12,000 Oregonians vaccinated per day by the end of next week. In order to do that, she says they're going to need some help.
We continue to look at how we can use every single tool we have to swiftly vaccinate Oregonians. And in that spirit, we are deploying the National Guard to provide vaccination support.
130 Guard members were activated by Brown Friday and will be ready to hit the ground running Tuesday to help vaccinate Oregonians at Salem Health's clinic at the Oregon State Fairgrounds. The clinic was set up this week, signs in front of the Expo Center reminding people they're focusing on the 1A group, including healthcare workers and residents of long-term healthcare facilities.
For this initial phase, we have approximately 30 medical providers, which consists of those doctors and physician's assistants. And then we have 100 medics that are from both the Oregon Army and Air National Guard.
Pat Allen, the director of the Oregon Health Authority, says getting every Oregonian vaccinated is going to take a long time.
As I just indicated, we have 500,000 people in Group 1A before we even move on to, or that we need to get substantially through to move on to the next prioritized groups. This is going to take a while. I think fall is a reasonable target based on what I think we understand about production.
And Stephen Bomar, the spokesperson for the Oregon Military Department, says they're ready to step up and help make a long process hopefully a little quicker.
The medical doctor will actually check them in, then the medic will administer the vaccine. I know they said fall, but we could definitely beat that goal if need be.
That supporting role is something they're used to doing, especially after 2020.
This year was quite the year for fires for us, and a lot of Guard members literally were serving in their community where their neighbors' homes had been burned, and they were there to keep them safe. So, it's not just a talking point. We live here too, and we want to support each other.
This clinic opens again tomorrow morning at 8, but Salem Health recommends people check their website first before showing up due to capacity limits. Bomar says the OHA plans to add more vaccination clinics and says he expects those locations will be announced next week. Live in Salem, Drew Marine, Fox 12 Oregon.